my first impression of the Indian Challenger is that it sings and dances. It just kind of surpassed all my expectations as far as handling and actually rideability. It's really impressive.
I got to ride it, and it just blew me away. The handling, the suspension, the design, the performance, overhead cam engine, just blew me away.
First impression of this motorcycle, it actually blew my mind. You know, with the aluminum chassis, low center of gravity, great front end on it, braking. It meets the world of sport bike, American touring bike. It's a great hybrid of the two.
The nimble nature of a Challenger is what really intrigued me, because it's still a heavy bike. It feels sturdy on the road. It sits down in the road. When you hit that throttle and you just take off for the sunset, it drops into that flow and you're gone.
The weight transfer is great as you're coming into turns and accelerating out of turns. It's just a really well-balanced road machine.
This is my bike. This bike handles in the mountains like no other bike I've ever ridden. And that's my favorite part of the bike, is just getting out and going out some windy roads and just letting it go.
As a builder on this motorcycle, you're starting with such a great chassis. It gives me the opportunity just to really suit the bike to me.
My future plans for the Challenger include riding as much as I can, as far as I can. I want to see amazing things across this country. There's beautiful places to ride everywhere.
My favorite part about owning a Challenger is the prestige and the pride that I have to represent an American motorcycle manufacturer, and just knowing that I'm on the best motorcycle.
It's the best performance bagger there is out there.
Comfort, style, and performance that really nothing else offers.
We're building the best bike in the world.
It's like, yes, this is the bike for me. I'm developing this bike for myself.
Yeah, if I were to describe the Challenger customer, I would say that person's me. What does it feel like to be a champion? There's nothing like it, and that's why we do what we do.